Attention! Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by. Raise your hands for security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Taneleer Tivan's private office.
How big is this? Big. Let's go back here.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know!
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Enough of this guy! What? Of course I escape! 1 billion volts may be a good deterrent, but it also turns an electric toothbrush into a very aggressive drill. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm sneaking through the ducts, and I'll meet you on top of your lift and take us all the way up to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance. Then the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh, and look what I swiped. Now move it.
Once on board, please remain seated with your restraints securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your tone, children. Thank you. Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y con el cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Manténganse sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, Vigilen a sus niños terranos. Gracias. You may now enter the gantry lift. Okay, raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Okay, go.
Row 6, bottom one. Seatbelts to the left to right, left-hand side to your right-hand side after you sit down. All back to the form of your feet, not sorry belonging. Don't buckle anything in between you and your seat.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things right! Now show me those hands, people!
It's not open at all.